Now let us go back to the application, artificial intelligence. This is the answer. It is made of 3 sections from 1 to 10. It's about explaining the novel products and how it works, and then at the end we'll ask you, should I continue the next message? You say yes, then he will start answering the second part, which is about the business part, and it will help you and guide you to get a patent, and will study the demand and will study the other companies, your competitors, and how to manufacture it, and what is the MVP, what is the SWOT analysis, and prototyping and manufacturing, and so on. Branding, go-to-market strategy, and the ways to make money by sale, module sales, sensor kits, whatever you need to know. Then at the end of the second message about the business, we'll ask you, should I continue with the next message? You answer yes. Sometime the artificial intelligence application will get lost. Normally I can help with this, but I don't seem to have access to the content. So what you do, ask him, continue with the next message. Again, he is confused. So we asked him to answer question 2030, but still didn't respond once, twice, and then we said you must answer. Also he didn't respond, so we uploaded the PDF again, and we said answer question 2030 as a continuation of previous discussion. Then he answered the third section from 20 to 30, and it's about our goals and about encouraging organic versus creations, etc. And at the question number, and also about visual presentation, it's usually question number 26, I think. It will give you an image prompt. Then you can copy it and take it to the image generator platforms, and will generate the image. The second prompt will be about story board prompts, like this one, The third one will be about the video generation prompt. You copy it and create a video, choose a video, and then you can paste it there, and it will generate the video for you. The same thing like this one. So you can use this playbook to generate novel products that you can make a patent and make your company, or you can be affiliates and gain up to 30%. If you press this affiliate link, it will then you fill your email and your name, email, and tell us something about yourself and submit affiliate request, and you will join the affiliate program, and you can gain commission up to 30% earning.